Cerritos Garage Doors Repair. Cerritos Garage Doors Repair is the #1 leading garage door repair and installation company in Cerritos. We offer the best local service with same-day repairs and warranties offered for every single job. There is no reason to choose anyone else. Call us today at 562-263-2107. We can stop by today to help you out. We also offer many coupons on our website that you can use to save yourself some money. We offer residential, commercial services. We specialize in opener repair, installation and sales. We also offer torsion and extension spring repair and installation. Call Cerritos Garage Doors Repair today at 562-263-2107 for the best service in town. Garage door replacement. Garage door repair. Garage door spring repair. Garage door opener installation. Call Cerritos Garage Doors Repair today at 562-263-2107.